How to receive airdrops on an Apple iPhone. All right, so we're going to open up Metamask. And all you need to give someone is your public wallet address to receive airdrops or crypto. And so right here below your wallet name, you'll see this little blue circle. This is your public wallet address. If you just click on it, it'll automatically copy to your clipboard. And then you can go wherever they're asking you for your public wallet address and paste it in there. No matter what network you're on, the wallet address stays the same. And also, you never need to give your private seed phrase to receive anything, okay, ever. Top left-hand corner, click this little menu button, and then right here, you'll see share my public address. You can use this option to text your public wallet address to someone or send it to someone in any of the apps that you have on your phone for communication. All right, and so that is how you receive an airdrop on the Apple iPhone.